everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the restricted categories. So restricted categories in Odoo point of sale are a powerful tool to streamline your point of sale operations and enhance the inventory management. By limiting the categories of products displayed on the interface, you can just improve the efficiency and increase the um, accuracy and also control the access. So this grants specific users access to only the category they need and ensuring the security and preventing unauthorized sales. So let's dive into the configuration settings of the point of sale. From there, we just need to enable the restricted categories. So here you can see that currently we have enabled the restricted category, which pick product point of sale categories that are available. So currently I'm setting it as lower body, other and upper body. So once you made the changes, you can just move on to the dashboard and let's open the register in order to open the POS. Now what we have to do is you can find the opening cache. Let me click on open register. So as we just move on to here, you can find the lower body, others and upper body as the category over here that is restricted. Now let me just move on to the back end and let me just close this session and let's remove one of the category from this POS. So in order to do so, first, again, you just need to go to the settings of the point of sale. So I would like to remove one of the category. So as we just want to deal with the point of sale of cloth shop, you can just move on to you can just go with these steps and as you just drag down, you can just remove the category over here. So if you want to add any other categories, you can actually add that. But for the time being, in our peers, we are only dealing with the cloth shop. So we only just require those categories that is associated with clothes. Now let me again move on to the clothes shop and under the point of sale here, you would be able to find that we have only two categories right now. So we have restricted with the categories over there. So in this case, if a customer wishes to buy something, he can just choose from lower body and upper body, and no other options are available in this clothes store. So he is adding random items, and let's choose a customer that is burden free man. And we can just make the payment by going with the payment method. So I would like to choose card, and let's click on validate. And after the payment, you can see the payment has successfully done, and that's how we just deal with the restricted categories in point of sale. So the point of sale restricted categories allow you to restrict specific product within a category, and you can use product visibility rules, and this ensures that user have the appropriate permission to access restricted categories. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.